Let's break this down clearly. Perplexity AI, ChatGPT, and Microsoft Copilot are all AI tools you can use at work, but they shine in different areas. Knowing when to use each one can help you save time and get better results. Perplexity AI strengths: real-time research and fact-checking. Pulls information directly from the web and shows sources. Good for summarizing multiple viewpoints. When to use it: market and industry research, competitor analysis, quick fact checks during meetings, learning complex topics fast. Example: you want the latest data on electric vehicle adoption rates worldwide. Perplexity AI gives you a sourced, up-to-date summary within seconds. ChatGPT strengths: strong at generating text from scratch, excellent for brainstorming, writing drafts, and polishing ideas. Can role-play scenarios or simulate conversations. When to use it: drafting blog posts, emails, proposals, or scripts. Brainstorming creative ideas for campaigns. Practicing presentations or customer calls. Summarizing and reorganizing existing documents. Example: you need to draft a sales email that is friendly yet persuasive. ChatGPT generates several options and refines the tone until it matches your brand. Microsoft Copilot strengths: deep integration with Microsoft 365 apps, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook. Automates repetitive tasks in documents, spreadsheets, and presentations. Excellent for organizing data and producing professional formats. When to use it: writing and formatting reports in Word. Analyzing and summarizing large data sets in Excel. Turning notes into slides in PowerPoint. Drafting and prioritizing emails in Outlook. Example: you have a long Excel file of quarterly sales data. Copilot generates a summary, creates charts, and even builds a presentation with insights, all inside your Microsoft apps. How they work together at work. Think of these three tools as part of a toolkit rather than replacements for each other. Start with Perplexity AI to gather fresh, reliable information. Move to ChatGPT to shape that information into clear, engaging text. Use Microsoft Copilot to polish and format everything into the final deliverable, a report, slide deck, or email. Example: workflow. Your team needs a briefing on sustainability trends. Use Perplexity AI to collect recent statistics and news. Use ChatGPT to draft a readable summary and key talking points. Use Copilot to generate a polished presentation in PowerPoint.